Unveiling the Sparkle. Understanding sparklers in English. Hello, wonderful language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to light up your language learning journey with an illuminating discussion about the word sparklers. Whether you're a curious beginner or a polished learner, understanding such terms can add a brilliant flair to your English vocabulary. So, let's ignite our curiosity and dive into the world of sparklers. Imagine a tiny firework on a stick, emitting a cascade of sparks as it burns. That's a sparkler for you. Sparklers are generally used during festive celebrations, creating a spectacle of light that delights people of all ages. They are handheld and burn slowly while emitting bright, colorful sparks. Aside from the literal fireworks, sparklers can also be used metaphorically. In English, we often use words associated with light and brightness to describe things that stand out or are impressive. When someone has eyes that are very bright, full of life, or twinkling, we might say they have sparklers. It's a way to express that something is as lively and captivating as the firework itself. You may come across phrases like, "Her eyes were like sparklers," especially in literary texts or when someone is describing a person with vivid and expressive eyes. Similarly, the term can be applied to describe moments or experiences that are vivid, exciting, or memorable, such as, "The party was dull until she arrived with her energy, like a sparkler in the night." Let's put sparklers into action. The children waved their sparklers around, writing their names in the air. She walked into the room, and her smile was like 1,000 sparklers, lighting up the place. Notice how the word can be used both literally and figuratively to convey vibrancy and excitement. And there we have it, a little bit of linguistic sparkle added to your day. I hope this video has been like a sparkler for your English learning, making it brighter and more enjoyable. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be adding sparkle to your conversations with ease. Until our next enlightening topic, keep shining bright.